Hi everybody, this is Tori with Hughes Wave Motion Machines. This is just going to be a quick video of a restoration I just did, a custom restoration actually. This is a Lava brand Adriatic 16-inch model wave machine, and the customer requested a UV reactive green, and this is the first machine I've actually done like this. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Just let that run for a second. And I'm going to go ahead and turn on the black light so you can see just how powerful this UV green actually is. I'm going to turn out the lights. One more light. And you're going to hit the black light. And look at that. That's just a really bright green. I don't think this iPhone camera is actually going to do it justice, but it's really pretty. So I just want to give you guys a quick clip of that. If you'd like this service performed on your Adriatic machine, this service, or your Caribbean, which is the 18-inch model, this is $150 plus $15 return shipping. And you can contact me at sales@wavemotionmachines.com. Take care, everyone.